guys, welcome to Math is Fun Crash Course. First, what are we going to see, you may ask? We're going to see a rational function. A rational function, it's a function that is the radio of two polynomials. It's defined as rational because one is divided by the other, like a radio. I'm working with three other people. That is Miriam, Carol, and Pamela.
So, first of all, for solving this problem, we need to find a whole. You may be asking, what is a whole? A whole is a number that's find the x in the numerator and also the denominator will be equal to 0. So, for finding this, we will first need to watch the numerator. What number resting 3 will be equal to 0? So, we have 3. We can use the number 3 for finding the whole. In this case, we have 3 minus 3. We'll be dividing 9 in this case because it's 3 elevated to the square is 9. Minus 3 minus 6 will be equal to 0. So we already find the x value. So for finding the y value in the whole, we need to factorize this problem. There will be x minus 3 dividing x minus 3 multiplying x plus 2. So we can do up and down, and we'll have 1 dividing x plus 2. But the last thing, we need to plug the 3 in the x, so we'll have, in this case, 1/5. So we already have 1/5. So for finding the horizontal asymptote is a very easy case. We only need just to watch the degree in the numerator and also in the denominator. We need to compare the degree. As you can see, in the denominator, the degree is higher than the numerator. So for this kind of cases, the horizontal asymptote will be equal to 0. Then, for the vertical asymptote, as we already factorized the function, we need to know which number, like adding 2, will be equal to 0. So in this case, the vertical asymptote will be minus 2.
Now that we have both of the asymptotes, we're gonna get the y and the x-intercept. To get the y-intercept, you have to substitute all the x's in the function with a 0. So this would make it so that it's 0 minus 3, 0 minus 3, 0 plus 2. Both of these will cancel out, and then you will get 1 over 0 plus 2. And if you get this out, it's 1/2. So the y-intercept would be equal to 1/2. To get the x-intercept, we already know that it's going to be 3 because 3 minus 3 equals to 0, which is x minus 3. This goes here. But since the 3 is a whole, which you can tell over here, then there's going to be no x-intercept.
Now we're gonna graph. So we have something like this. And right around here. Now we're gonna start with our domain. For our domain, we have negative infinity, comma, negative 2, close parenthesis, union, open parenthesis, negative 2, comma, 3, close parenthesis, union, open parenthesis, 3, comma, infinitive. And lastly, for our range, we have parenthesis, negative infinitive, comma, 0, close parenthesis, union, parenthesis, 0, comma, 1 over 5, close parenthesis, union once again, open parenthesis, 1 over 5, comma, infinitive, close parenthesis.
Well, thanks for watching. That was it for the Math Crash Course, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching.